Hello and welcome to Metaclickpro. Thank you so much for joining us, guys, and I will guide you step by step right now how to start with Metaclickpro really fast. As you can see, front of the screen, this is the screen that actually you watch this video right now. And when you look here, you see 4 steps, which is really important steps. The first 2 steps, we lead you with a sign up guide, and if you have each one of those without green color, so probably you need to just go to these tabs and add your website in Google Search Console. After that, this is just the general stuff that actually you need to visit the tabs here that we guide you how to visit the dashboard and how actually to open experiments and start fill Metaclickpro and how it works. Metaclickpro is actually a title and meta description testing software that shows you how actually you can rank really fast with a couple of split testing between title tag and description. Furthermore, we had more features that I'm going to show you right now in a couple of minutes. Really critical features that help you rank really fast. So let's jump to the screens. Basically, this is our dashboard. As you can see here, the dashboard is with all the critical errors and issues and also improvements that you can put on your website. Soon we are going to add more features and more filter options, which will help you to rank higher and get better results with SEO website you actually manage with us. As you can see, this is our lifetime increased since we test a new website that I'm going to show you right now. And I think the best way is to jump with you to the results. Basically, this is the account that actually we had, put inside Metaclickpro, and I just want to go and do a compare for the last 3 months. Okay, so this is the website, as you can see here, and you can see the increasement, which is really big, without any big increasement on impression. The big impact is actually the average CTR, and that helps us to do a great split test and improve all what not work for us and just leave what works really well and focus on the bad stuff of the title tag and description, and we just start to increase the CTR really fast in terms of, as you can see, in 3 months, about almost 40%, 30-40% increasement. So let's jump back to the dashboard. The main feature that actually we develop is this feature, the big one. This filter actually gives you the ability to see what pages you have on your website with a lot of impressions but low click-through rate. This filter, when you click on it, you just go to the pages section with the filter, and we just take all the pages you have on your website and we count the average CTR you have on your website. All the pages that are actually below this average CTR count as pages with high impressions but low click-through rate. That actually you need to just improve them. Improve the title tag and description. As you can see, there's a lot of pages that actually you will find and you will be shocked with tens and in some cases hundreds of thousands of impressions but really low CTR. That means that actually you just need to test these pages because the title tag is just not working. So we give you the ability just to split test. Basically, go and open as many experiments as you can. Take all the pages. As you can see in this website that actually we test, we have more than 3,000 pages with really low CTR. You just open an experiment for what you want. You can open for clicks, for CTR, for impressions, whatever you pick. The most recommended is clicks, and for 30 days or 90 days, depend on the amount of traffic you have for the page. When you just open one experiment, you will see the experiment here. And all what you need to do is just go to your website and change your title tag. After you take this step, we just recognize in our system that you change your title tag and description, and that's done. You just need to wait to the results complete when we run the test, and we just take the comparison between before the day you open the experiment to after you open the experiment, which is awesome, because you can see the result that actually what works the best for you and what's not. This is basically a couple of new short tests we make, and of course after you do that you will see this screen. All right, basically we show you the increasement or decreasement on CTR, impressions, positions, and what is the status, what you did before as a title, what you did as a new title, or description, whatever. And we just give you based on what you test. For example, if you test clicks, so in this period of time you get more clicks, so the experiment actually won. If you lose, so that means this is the time to actually test again a new title. And on this way we track all the testing you make on your website. So if you have even 10,000 pages and you open like 10,000 experiments, we just help you to track all the experiments, all what you did before. And we recognize this big issue because we see a lot of agencies that just actually take action and change title tag and description to increase CTR for a lot of businesses, and they don't track after the results. So here you can track the results, what you did before, what you did after, and that actually just save all the results lifetime, as you can see. There is cases that actually we increase really big time the CTR, and there is cases we actually not increase the CTR, and that means we need to test again and again. So you are going to a wave when you improve your website all the time. If it's good or not, you will see after that on the results if you won. If you won, that's good, leave it. Go to fix those that actually lose. If you have 4,000 pages, this work will take you like 6 months, but after 6 months you will see this is just average. You will see a huge impact. Okay, so this is all about the experiments. About all the other testing options, you have a lot of options. As you can see when I open experiments, you can test impressions, if you add some content or H1 tag, or you change some title to rank higher. So you can test this one also. All the pages that actually you take action on your website, you can leave them as a test. And when you do this testing, you just need to see, you just learn what works and what's not. This one gives you the ability to improve yourself and see actually if you work with some agency, if they do a good work for you, or if you are an agency, you can test your job and actually improve all the time the work you did. And you see where actually you fail in terms of wrong content or title description, and you can just go and fix it after that. Of course, as if you are agency, we have the option to add as many websites as you want. You can contact with us here and we will give you a good offer if you have a lot of websites. More than that, you have the options here on inside dashboard to track a couple of more issues, like for example broken pages that you have. As you can see here, there is 95 pages with broken pages, with 404 issue that actually not lead to anywhere. Okay, this is like a crash page, and we just do a free audit for you guys every night. Every night we run the audit and we recognize all the issues and the problems you have on the website. More than that, you have a lot of more stuff that actually you can improve. You can do pages with low impressions and many more. If you go to pages section, you will see also more options for filters, okay, that you can use them. For example, pages without title tag and description. If you work with a big website and you want to go and analyze the website again and again, and if there is any new changes, for example tomorrow they upload a new products, whatever, or you do that as a website owner, you can recognize every week, every day we do that, you can recognize what pages actually don't have title tag or description that actually hurt your ranking. So this is all the issues is actually on the dashboard and on the pages section. Experiments, of course, we discussed about it before. You can just open experiments as many as you want. You just go to pages and you just open the tests. After that, we have the third big feature, which is SEO score. We give SEO score for each page. As you can see here, for example, we give 63. Okay, after we take a keyword, we add a keyword, and we give you really minimal stuff, but that on the future we are going to add AI machine learning that will recognize all the content on the website, on the page. That means if you are e-commerce, so product descriptions, what's going on, if it's if the content is actually missing the keywords, and so many more. Of course, when you see a low score, probably you need to add a primary keyword. So inside every page of your website, we show you the process. We show you the results on the states every day for the last 30 days, and we show you the keywords that actually you plan to work with. And of course, if you put your primary keyword, you will see right away the score go up. And of course, where is your problem? So what you need to fix to actually see a big, really fast impact. So this is the section of SEO score for each page. Of course, you have a filter for everything. You can just go and to start from impression count to invest in those pages that actually have a lot of impressions and low CTR that have the biggest impact on your website, and start to improve them. Okay. Of course, you can recognize what issues you have on your website, what issues, what problems you should fix right away. Except the 404, we have some problem with requests with some pages. That means that you have any problem in content or other issues, which goes to a code of 503. You can check on Google how you can fix that actually, and that will help you to improve your website, because there is a lot of error code. We just show you the error code and help you to recognize and fix those. Missing content, of course, you have options like find all the problem with content. As you can see that zero CTR, what is the pages that actually a lot of people see, for example, with high amount of impressions. If you filter out, as you can see, 500 impressions, 0 clicks, what pages that actually you need to fix. Okay, even if it's not the issue. Let's go to active pages. Yeah, so this is the active pages, like 2,700 pages with thousands of impressions without any one click. So this definitely is something that actually on your website, after we do the audit, you need to fix them, because the title is not clickable. Okay, people just not click on it. So go to changes and make some experiment, check yourself after a month or something, and that's it. Of course, I show you all the filters and many more options we are going to add really soon, but what we have right now, this won't give you the ability to rank really high. And if you jump here as the results, you can see how big impact we create here for this website, which is increase in around 70% the traffic amount. So this is really huge, guys. Hope you love it. If you have any question, you can reach out here. Of course, we track all the lifetime click increased with us, all the results of the experiment, so you can see your improvement with us by experiments here. So either way, if you are e-commerce or not, or whatever you do, we will help you with any problem you have on your website. We show you everything, and also improvement stuff to your website. Soon we are going to add integrations if you have Shopify or WordPress or WooCommerce, and of course we give you the ability to go to pages. This is the main feature we are going to develop, and we are going to give you the option to change title tag and description from here, and then we will open for you automatic the experiment, and it will be really fast because you can analyze all the pages you have, and you can start with the pages with the most impressions and really low SEO score, and start to see huge improvements, and it's really fast. Thank you, guys. If you have any question, reach me out on the support. That's it. Good luck.